Welcome to India's first exclusive digital platform for virtual dentistry, which will help you connect with India's finest dentists for a virtual consultation from the comfort of your homes who are just a call away. The dentist will provide a treatment plan, X-ray requisition, and a medical prescription which will be accepted across the clinics for a scan as well as your nearby pharmacy shops. So let's take a virtual tour of the dentist app. To sign up, the user needs to enter their name, mobile number, email ID, password, and their current location. An OTP will be sent immediately for verification purposes. The app will ask the user to update their location for the virtual consultation. The homepage of the dentist app has three options. First, emergency appointment for your immediate needs, and a consultation will be done within minutes. Second, schedule an appointment wherein the user can book an appointment for a virtual consultation. And third, medical reports which will be sent by the dentist post the consultation. The medical reports will include a treatment plan, X-ray requisition, and a medical prescription with comments. Now let's schedule an appointment with the dentist and see how it goes. The user can see various dentists and their specialties, experience in the field, price for a consultation, and reviews from other users. The user will be asked to choose a time slot as per their ease. This screen helps the user choose the affected areas of their teeth, pick the symptoms, and upload the pictures of the affected area or any X-rays or medical reports for the dentist to see. The dentist app has a safe and easy way to complete the payment process, and the booking can be seen in the Appointments tab. Before the appointment, the user can chat with the dentist. The virtual consultation with the dentist is for 15 minutes, which can be extended by the dentist depending on the user's condition. After the consultation, a review of the user's experience as well as the dentist is taken as feedback. The dentist will upload all the medical reports which can be accessed under the medical records section. This was a tour of the dentist app, and we look forward to hearing to all your needs and help you by providing a seamless digital experience and at the same time solve your dentistry problems at ease. Download the dentist app today from the Google Play Store and earn exciting rewards and offers. To get to know us better, visit our website www.dentist.com.